So the headers are coming out today. I've long neglected this, like, oh, you're gonna have to get a tuna, and I've seen videos on how it runs. I'd say it runs pretty good for, you know, not being tuned. So I got the headers right here. Right now I'm gonna go to the bank, get some money, and we're gonna install these hoses. Right now this will be the last video with these stock manifolds. Dad, oh, piece of shit Ford. If anybody knows about Fords and can help me fix it, let me know, because when I turn this POS on, it runs fine, but then after that it'll shake. And we just did the spark plugs and wires on it, and the smoke comes out the back a little bit, but also it smells like gas. And someone was telling me it was my O2 sensor from the catalytic converter, and that's what the code scanner said. So let me know, guys. So right now we're going to Evolution Mufflers. This will be the second time I'm going with him, because I like his work, and also he's giving me a pretty good deal on installing the headers for me. So we're going right now. What's that? What's that? Kit. Anyways, let's go get these headers installed. And then right now I'm gonna just do a small flyby with the stock cats. Now, I'm not going to lie, this thing is gonna be loud, like loud. Let's do a small flyby. I hate Pasadena and their traffic. See if I can roll the window down here, guys. Oh, there's a cop. There's a cop. I was literally gonna step on it right here, guys, but there's a cop, so I'm good. But since the cop is there, I'm gonna have to do it on the next street that I'm gonna turn. Hopefully y'all can hear it and stuff like that. All right, let's do a small flyby. Here we go. Man, I hate Pasadena and the streets. You can't do any flybys. Damn it. Let's try again. Well, this will be the last time she'll be quiet. So right now we finna pull up on Evolution Mufflers, and what the fuck happened here? I think it's for school. I don't care. I'm getting my headers installed. Get the hell out of my way. Hell out of my way. Hell out of my face. As King Botch would say. Hell out of my face. Oh fuck, I don't think he's here. Oh hell. I know that guy. Another not your typical taquachi. I'm kidding. Huh? Another not your typical taquachi. Damn it. So, what's your setup?
Just an intake, headers, gears, that's all. It's a 4.8, that's all.
Just a 4.8. Some slight. For it. A la verga.
But does it look, or it looks just like that?
My truck is next, boys. Last time you'll hear her stock. Hell yeah. Last time. First time and the last time. Bye bye stock manifolds. Bye bye. It ain't hot, but yep. Headers finally. But yeah, I'll show you later. Bye bye. Bye bye. Don't need you no more. And hello. Hell yeah. My goodness. Oh my. What the? What? Oh god, this thing is gonna be so mean. She's almost out, boys. She's ready. See how she sounds. Let's see how she sounds, boys. Now all I need is a cam. But yeah guys, this is the whole installation. Like, subscribe, thanks for watching. I'll try to edit this video and get it out by tonight. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, later.